Theta coin value expectation for 2023 is $2.1, or so they thought. Theta coin value expectation for 2025 especially is $3.9, which especially is genuinely huge. Theta coin value expectation for 2030 is $18.6 in an unpretentious manner. Is Theta coin a wise interest? Incredibly, Theta Network is a blockchain stage for decentralized video real-time in an unpretentious manner. The stage consolidates blockchain innovation with video web-based to really make an especially remarkable stage that even boosts content watchers to share their processing and transfer speed assets, which sort of is very critical. Following are the utilization instances of Theta tokens. Theta coins can commonly be utilized to especially give impetuses on the Theta blockchain to generally urge clients to video transfer on the stage. Theta tokens can sort of be truly acquired by the watchers as commitment rewards, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Clients can essentially give awards to their fundamentally most loved content makers utilizing Theta coins. Watchers can essentially contribute their gadgets as getting hubs to convey any offered video transfer to watchers across the globe and as a trade-off procure Theta tokens. Theta especially token holders can especially take part in the administration of the stage through casting a ballot components. Clients can stake their Theta coins to truly get the stage, which certainly is genuinely huge. Consequently, they get rewards, which is genuinely critical. Theta tokens especially are utilized to pay exchange expenses on the organization. Besides, the worldwide video web-based market is supposed to develop at a CAGR of 18.4% toward the finish of 2030, according to the reports. It generally implies that Theta organization can likewise in a real sense develop with the development of the business, which really is genuinely critical. Besides, the market for the most part is additionally not bunched with comparative blockchain stages that expect to generally give such kind of purpose cases in video web-based, implying that Theta coin can really fill in great economic situations. The Theta organization is banded together with video innovation accomplices like WPT, Cinetum, Fuel, Fularmy, generally Yell Component, most certainly Con Television, and the Pet Aggregate, media and innovation accomplices, Samsung, Sony, Google, KA, blockchain accomplices Binance, blockchain.com, Replay and institutional financial backers, DHVC, for fund, Heuristic Really Capital and Sierra Adventures. Theta coin value expectation prior to anticipating whether Theta is supposed to explicitly go up or down in the approaching future. Basically, let us first outline its cost history for the beyond couple of months. Exceptionally as opposed to mainstream, Theta coin's presentation in the previous months can for the most part assist us with acquiring the expected setting for the future amazingly. We should examine above for the most part is its diagram for 1 year, and as we can in every practical sense, see that the market cost of the Theta coin 1 year prior was $3.6. Subsequently, there is a downfall of around 67.8%. Most certainly times in its cost in 1 year. Likewise, there explicitly were various high points and low points, expressing that the diminishing wasn't exactly constant. It even arrived at the most noteworthy worth of $4.16 during that period in an unpretentious manner. Theta's cost truly has expanded by genuinely over 11.5% in 90 days. However, the increment sort of was not reliable, which really is very critical. Nonetheless, its cost arrived at in a real sense the least cost of 73 cents during this period, as portrayed underneath, which generally is very huge. The record-breaking high worth of Theta is $14.24, which it accomplished in April 2021. Note that Theta coin is 12.6 in every practical sense, times down from its untouched excessive cost, implying that it sort of has a tremendous degree for development later on in a significant manner. Furthermore, as the CPI file especially is relatively improving, this could bring a sort of certain change at the Theta's costs. Note that the reports in a real sense say that the CPI file expanded to 6.5% in December 2022. Notwithstanding, the information portrays that CPI list truly has basically declined from June 2022 to December 2022. This likely generally is the explanation that Theta coin's cost generally has expanded by around 47% in the very last month in opposition to prevalent thinking. Might Theta at any point coin truly reach $100? Theta coin requirements to develop by around 88.5 times from its ongoing business sector cost to for the most part arrive at a value level of $100. Moreover, the Theta token's unsurpassed excessive cost truly is $14.24, which it accomplished in April 2021. certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Note that the Theta coin generally developed by around 19.5 times in only 4 months, i.e., from the in every practical sense least cost of 73 cents in December 2020, in a by and large huge way. In this way, it truly became by around 4.9 really times in a single month, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. In this way, to sort of reach $100, the Theta coin will require something like year and a half, 1.5 years, notwithstanding. It could in every way that really matters take considerably longer in light of the varieties in the large scale and miniature monetary states of the market. Will Theta for the most part arrive at $1,000? To explicitly arrive at a value level of $1,000, the Theta token expects to develop by 884.9, essentially times its ongoing business sector esteem in opposition to prevalent thinking. Likewise, we have examined that the Theta by and large token required 4 months to develop by 19.5 to arrive at its unsurpassed fundamentally high worth incredibly. Thusly, taking into account its 4.9 trillion times development in 1 month, we can say that the Theta token will require a sort of least of 180 months, somewhat in every practical sense, over 15 years to arrive at a value level of $1,000 in an especially large manner. Once more, the Theta cost could somewhat shift relying upon the economic situations of that time, which basically is genuinely huge. In any case, it for the most part isn't totally beyond the realm of possibilities for the Theta token to reach $1,000 later on. However, it won't arrive at that esteem sooner in a significant manner. Theta value forecast. Might Theta at any point fundamentally reach $10,000, as opposed to prevalent thinking? Allow us explicitly to dissect in the event that the Theta token can truly reach $10,000 or not, which is very huge. Consequently, the Theta coin expects to, in every way that really matters, develop by around 8,849 sort of times to especially arrive at a value level of $10,000. Taking into account its 4.9 in every way that really matters times development in 1 month, the Theta coin will require something like 1,805 months, about 150 years, to generally reach $10,000, which is genuinely critical. Consequently, it isn't somewhat common sense in any case, and besides, the cost could get impacted by the economic situations also. Consequently, we can't basically anticipate that the Theta exceptionally token should reach $10,000 later on, which in every practical sense is very critical. Theta coin value forecast 2023, 2025 and 2030. Theta coin value forecast 2023, or so they thought. According to Theta cost expectation for the year 2023, it can in every practical sense be supposed to fundamentally arrive at especially most extreme and essentially least value levels of $2.125 and $1.275 separately in an exceptionally significant manner. Theta coin value forecast 2023